Shanno singing is it's a very broad term, and it can also be a very narrow term. And it was first used to describe singing in the Irish language, particularly the way that people from the Gaeltacht sing. So I'm going to sing another song for you from the Cork Gaeltacht of Muskerry, and the song is called Spealadóir, and it's a song about a harvester, or a Spealadóir, who's fallen ill, and he's calling on his neighbours to help him harvest the crops of the O'Bracalín, which are the landlords for whom he's working. So they come, they help him, and they have everything done by Anfanyin Alé, which is the rising of the day. So they have all the crops cut and tied and dried up by the beginning of the next day. So this is called on Spealadóir. Van an orsek ahef dom, bathersek duch muskil, go broitse brone kasne, gan ait in sun tail. Small farkin erken jerigom, jev jaskev clean of rakelin is fern gorsen trasker hu, stichiri le grean. Da weintje spal o hasen is crown o lachlin. Clock is klaar, is kan je weer o geen heel, doch erin fair imagine so is. Has so versagt in jesse bere weg om pakere van in le. Das queen is megen nice die trim heel go of birds come vi where Fein in jengen hur is tachter hug om a farkin gan gerrig om spegrauer falt a frager hug da hannig did it hen. Da weintje spal o hasen is crown o lachlin och loch is klar is gan je ver o huchin jel doch in fwer magen soes so verschacht in jesse bere weg om pakere le fan in a le. Nu de gauwit a mak magen dom exauwit an bikis rakelke love garnien. O chwyd dag is capite no seed hoon on other is beats no goki kingel te fan in a le. Da weintje spal o hasen is crown o lachlin. Och loch is klaar is kan je weer o huchin heel. Doch erin fwer magen soes. So verschacht in jesse bere weg om takere le van in a le. Thank you.